Hi my loves, in this reading we will going to have love reading with message from your person. And the focus ng reading na to is kung bibigyan mo ba ng chance ang love kasabay ng healing journey. Let's see the situation first. Situation for this love connection. Memories, experience, history. So, I hear dito, andun nga, meron nga old energy, my loves dito. So, dito, my loves, meron ditong trust, justice. Focus, breakthrough, vision. So dito, since na ang tinanong natin dito kanina, focus ng love read, ng energy na to, my loves, I hear na kung meron kayong mga pinlano, look, dito kasi meron ditong pinlano. Sa upright natin, meron ditong parang kumbaga merong vision eh. And lumitaw na din dito sa vision na to. Lumitaw na din dito sa vision. I hear, andun pa rin, my loves. Both of you, andun pa rin sa memories na yon na kung saan may mga pinlano kayo, meron kayong naging plans towards your future, your relationship. Dito, my loves, I hear may breakthrough. May breakthrough dito na paparating. So, kumbaga, may kinalaman talaga itong person na to sa energy mo right now. Until now, nandito pa rin, attached pa rin kayong dalawa parehas sa pinagsamahan nyo. And pwedeng ikaw din, my loves, attached ka din. And I also hear, meron dito kasing justice. So, kung meron man nagawa ang bawat isa sa inyo, I hear na kailangan ma-serve yung lesson. Pero dito, faith and trust is needed here. So, kumbaga, my loves, kung ano yung una nyong naging plans, naging vision about your relationship, I hear na mag-focus ka dun. So, kung halimbawa, ito, for example lang, kung meron kang halimbawa, may nagpaparamdam sa yung bago, my loves, I hear na mag-focus ka sa old. Mag-focus ka dun sa naging plans nyo, una nyong plano. I also hear that. Let's see more confirmation. Let's see more confirmation about this. Kasi, mga favorable naman po yung mga lumitaw na card dito. And, dito lang, my loves, I hear, darating din yung focus, darating din yung breakthrough, my loves. Basta nandun ang inyong focus. Okay po, wag magpapadistract. I also hear, let's see tama yun. Okay, meeting someone new. Pwede din, my loves, na itong memories na to, pwedeng ito yung dahilan kung bakit parang kumbaga, ito pwede, my loves, I hear yung energy dito ng dating is pwedeng may upcoming date from the past, from the old energy, my loves. Pero pwede din itong old energy na to ang nagiging dahilan ng blockages to meet someone new. Let's see more. Okay, may lamat. Meron dito lumito, my loves, na shattered glass. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, meron talagang justice. Meron ditong nagbigay ng lamat at masaserve yung justice na yon. Kailangan, my loves, maserve yung justice na yon. So, trust, my loves, magtiwala ka. Kumbaga, wag kang mag-interrupt kung ano man yung pwedeng karmic death yun, or pwede din, my loves. Ito kasi meron dito kasing pwede din trust issue. I also hear na merong trust issue. May trust issue ka na rin pagdating sa love. Kasi nga may shattered dito. Shattered glass and may heartbreak, my loves. And I hear na you need to have faith. Pwedeng ito din dahilan kung bakit ayaw mo na mag-love life. Travel, my loves. Parang, kumbaga dito, I hear, sa breakthrough na to, kailangan mo talagang itry yung something new. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-travel mag-isa, pwede mong itry, my loves, yon new things, my loves. Pero dito kung ang gusto mo is healing, I hear na meron paparating, magagawa mo yon. Pero sa love life, I hear na hindi ka pa ganun ka-ready because of this heartbreak, because of this, yung lamat na to. Kumbaga, kahit ano man tapal mo sa shattered glass na to is parang hindi na siya, alam mo yun, may lamat pa rin. So, yun yung pwede, my loves, na maging hindrances or blockages mo when it comes to love. Kahit sino pa'y dumating, kahit bago or lumang energy, kumbaga, may trust issue ka. So, may trust issue ka dito, my loves. So, let's see, for your, bibigyan pa ba ng chance? So, dito, my loves, yung sa pagbibigay mo ng chance, nandun kasi kung kaya mo magtiwala, magbibigay ka ng chance, pero yung pagtitiwala mo, kasi I hear dito, may trust issue ka. Look, kung paano din naging buo itong glass na to, and then kung paano siya naging broken. Okay po. So, dito, my loves, I hear na yung love ay magkokos lang sa'yo ng brokenness. Dating will cost you heartbreak. Pwede din ganun, my loves. Look, kahit ano pang energy, mapa new or old man yan, my loves, may trust issue ka na, broken na, may lamat na, my loves. So that's why spirits are telling you, you need to heal that, yung trust issue na yun. So masasagot natin yun kung kaya mong i-heal or parang spirits are telling you, you need to heal this trust issue first bago pumasok sa new chapter ng relationship or sa new relationship, my loves. Let's see more confirmation about this. Good news is coming, my loves. I hear na meron din, kung may in-invest ka, my loves, may magandang paparating. And I hear na ngayon ka pa lang din magi-start ng something new, laying foundations, my loves. I hear you need to focus your vision. Baka kasi hati-hati yung vision, yung mga visions mo or yung goals, my loves. You need to focus. Okay, so kasi nandito ka sa crucial part, which is developing your plan, laying your foundation. Kumbaga, para kang alam mo yon, from ashes, parang ngayon ka palang ulit nagbi-build ng panibago. Pero dito, shattered, meron ditong heartbreak So, kailangan, my loves, talaga, magkaroon ka din ng faith in love. Magkaroon ka ng tiwala. Kasi, me old energy. Pwede, my loves, ang tinutukoy noon is kung hindi ka heal dito, ganun at ganun din. Ganun at ganun din, my loves. Heartbreak din ang patutunguhan. Pwede din, I hear dito is loss din ang pagpatutunguhan, my loves. Bigyan ko ba ng chance? Bigyan pa ba ng chance? So dito, ayan, more on pentacles yung ating naging card. I hear na pwede mo ding bigyan ng cards dito kasi sa heartbreak, lumitaw yung King of Pentacles natin. Pwede, my loves, you are dealing with a person na not a risk taker when it comes to their resources. Loves, meron tayo dito na pool na matured, grounded man. So kung hindi mo nakikita to sa partner mo, I hear na ito yung kailangan mong hintayin makita sa kanya. Or ito yung kailangan mong hintayin na makita sa person mo. I hear na you are destined with a mature, grounded male or pwedeng businessman. Kung hindi man ikaw yung naghahangad nun, I hear na you are meant for someone who's wealthy businessman. I also hear dito, you need to bettering yourself when it comes to your stability, security, my loves. So, my loves, kasi nakatapat siya dito So I hear You are meant for someone na same vibe mo or yung same with your energy, na kung saan na nakatutok dun sa success, sa pagiging provider. Here, you are meant to heal with someone like this. So kung hindi mo pa yun nakikita sa person mo, sa old energy na to, my loves, pwede yun yung new version na kailangan mo makita sa kanya. Pwede din sa new love or someone new, iyon yung makita mo, yung version nito ng King of Pentacles. Okay? So sa King of Pentacles, my loves, ito, makikita natin nandito yung stability, security, and also a provider. So, kung hindi mo nakikita yon, my love, sa dati mong person, iyon yung hahanapin or dapat mong hanapin sa new person mo, because you are meant for someone like the King of Pentacles. And, eto, ang ganda, my loves, puro king. My loves, I hear na kung hindi man yung person mo, pag my loves na heal mo itong heartbreak na to, ay dito meron din ulit another king na lumitaw, the King of Cups, my loves, the mature, compassionate. I hear, my loves, baka dito sa energy na to, pwedeng ito yung paparating, or pwede ito yung new version ng person mo, a mature, compassionate male, sympathetic, my loves, and balance, very affectionate. Napakaganda ng energy na to, my loves, and you are meant for this one. So kung hindi pa ganyan yung person na to, this old energy, kung hindi pa siya ganito, my loves, hindi pa time para isabay ang love life sa yung healing. Kasi itong mga king na to, the King of Cups and King of Pentacles, ito yung makakayang i-handle yung healing journey mo. So kung hindi pa, my loves, I hear dito is yes, pwede mo siyang isabay kung same energy with these kings, with those kings, the King of Pentacles and the King of Cups. And yun, sabihin natin, i-allow ka ni universe na isabay ang love, or to date someone new, to meet someone new, kung ganito yung energy, my loves. Because kung hindi magkakaroon dito ng, sabihin natin, uprightness, hindi magkakaroon ng balance energy dito, and patuloy kang magiging heartbreak, or patuloy kang magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng energy kung hindi gaya ng mga kings na to yung energy ng person mo. Okay, so let's see more for this love connection. Yes, kababanggit ko lang kanina, 'di ba? Para ka kung ashes. So Phoenix, lumitaw new face. Yes, may renewal din, my loves. Pwedeng rekindle. Ayan, meron nga. Rise from ashes, my loves. So dito, my loves, I hear na nandun ka nga sa new phase journey mo. Nandun ka sa new phase journey mo, my loves. So merong may kailangan ka na pong let go na mga outdated thinking, yung mga dati ninyong mga naging okay, so meron dito lumitaw na girl with a snake. So dito, my loves, be more diligent when it comes to being used. Not again, kung dumaan ka sa ganong klase ng energy or ng relationship, my loves, have boundaries. So dito, my loves, I hear kailangan you are replaying ang events. Confirmation. Pwede iyan yung nagdadala sa'yo kung bakit kailangan mo ng focus. Kung bakit kailangan mo ng focus, my loves. Kasi you are replaying an events over and over in your head. So, my loves, focus. Focus, my loves. Kailangan mo yun. Kasi paano ka makakapag-move on? Paano mo ma-achieve yung breakthrough kung hindi ka magpo-focus at palagi ka magpo-focus sa past? So, yun, travel. Clear your mind, my loves. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-travel, try something new, my loves. And eto, may kailangan talagang baguhin when it comes to thinking. Eto, imaginein mo, halimbawa, binigyan mo ng chance itong love na to, pero ganun pa rin, same yung energy mo pa rin, nandun pa rin yung trust issue, andun pa rin yung brokenness, andun pa rin yung doubt. Diba? Andito pa rin yung old energy eh. So, you need to focus on your new phase. So, new phase, renewal, yes, pwede din rekindle, my loves, pero kailangan talaga ma-heal mo to, yung heartbreak na to. And also, andun pa rin yung energy na, my loves, ng pagiging attached. Kasi the girl with the snake is yung, kumbaga, wala kang boundaries, andun pa rin yung pagiging codependent, my love. So, be more diligent when it comes to being charmed or used. Baka kasi magkaroon lang na repeated cycle, my loves. Pero yun, nandun ang justice. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan talaga munang ma-serve ang lesson. So, kung ano yung lesson na nakuha mo from your previous relationship, ay kung iyon ay hindi pa nasa-serve, kailangan, my loves. Hindi natin kailangan i-shortcut. So, meron dito lumitaw na snake, my loves. New experience. And isa pang sign, my loves, pag nakapag-travel ka na, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-travel mag-isa or hindi ka pa ulit nakakapag-travel, you need that. You need that, my loves. And hindi kasama yung person mo. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. Okay, so, let's see energy about this love connection. Energy for this love connection. Keep the door open. My loves, dito si spirits parang gusto ka nga niya talagang mag-try ng something new. Kasi dito sa una nating card na old, kumbaga memories, more on memories, experience, history. So it's all about the past. Pero naulit na naman with this outdated thinking. Ibig sabihin, masyado na siya outdated, hindi na siya kailangan pang pagpokusan. I hear na kung mag-love life ka man, open the door for something new. Don't be so focused on closed door that you don't see the ones which open for you. So ano ba yung mas open sa'yo na door? Love life ba? Opportunity ba? So my loves, dito focused. Keep the door open. Maging open-minded, my loves. And ito, you need to change your mind kasi masyado na outdated yan. So kung ano man ang laman ng isipan mo, my loves, right now, you need to change that. And you need to resonate with your phoenix energy from ashes, burning. Nandito na rin yung kumbaga rise from above. So ibig sabihin, my loves, may kailangan ka talagang baguhin, i-burn mo na lahat ng mga outdated thinking mo na yan, yung pagiging codependent mo na yan sa yung partner, ay let go mo na, my loves. Kailangan mo nang talaga magkaroon ng boundaries. Let's see message from this person. Being used. Kung ikaw man, my loves, ay you are being used before, I hear na dito maganda yung puro King of Cups dito so yun ang tandaan mo, you deserve something na kagaya ng mga kings natin, the King of Cups and King of Pentacles. And you need conditioning. Andito ka na sa phase na kung saan naglelay ka ng foundation, so very crucial, kaya kailangan pagpokusan. Be more selfish. Be more selfish. So your person are telling you, be more selfish. Dahil nga dito, diba, sa boundaries, siya na ang nagsasabi. Pwede, my loves, itong higher self niya yung nakikipag-communicate sa'yo. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, may kailangang iserve na lesson. it's a no. Or say no. It's a no. So, ito yung message from your person. I feel the same way. My loves, ano yung gusto niyang i-communicate dyan? Pwedeng it's between you and them. Be more selfish. Para dito sa rekindle, I hear na gusto din talagang mag-rekindle ng person mo, but you need to clean the slate and let go na yung mga outdated energy and thinking. You and I were too young. So, if ever, my loves, meron kang mga dinedemand, pwedeng ito din yung nasa isip ng person mo. I look for you everywhere. Just being near you is intoxicating. Okay, so message from their higher self. Message from their higher self. Inspiration. So, inspiration. There is no one else who inspires me the way you do. So, kumbaga, my loves, hinahanap din talaga nito yung energy mo. I am so proud of you, your achievements and gifts. My loves dito, pwede din, my loves, yung kanyang higher self ay ipinupush ka rin para ma-achieve mo talaga yung iyong itong breakthrough na to, itong vision na to, my loves, para ma-achieve mo rin talaga. Your love really gives me strength and courage to strive for more out of life. So, my loves, parehas yung inspirasyong isa't isa. Kung hindi ka na-inspired sa kanya, my loves, you need to focus on that energy. Pinapa-remind niya or nire-remind kanya, my loves, their higher self wants to remind you na kumbaga talagang wala kang kapantay when it comes to them. Kumbaga, ikaw yung talaga yung nakapag-push sa kanya, ikaw din yung pwede niyang hinuhugutan ng inspirasyon ko ano may ginagawa niya sa career niya right now. Pwede ding, my loves, ito din yung paghugutan mo. They are so proud of your achievements and gifts. Alam niya na may capability kayo. Kaya dapat, my loves, ma-achieve mo to. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, nandito ka sa yung Phoenix era. Nandun ka na sa pagbaba, sa laying foundation mo. Andun ka sa pag-develop ng plans mo, pag-achieve. So, my loves, ito yung message ng higher self niya. Kumbaga, ikaw yung nakakapag-inspire sa kanya. Pwede din, my loves, kung makikita kanyang ganito, mas mabibigyan mo siya ng strength and courage para magbago, para mag-focus sa kanyang career. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. So, they are telling you and reminding you, their higher self at telling you na ikaw din ang kanyang inspirasyon at ikaw ang nakakapag-inspired sa kanya. So, let's see. Since na more investment, I also hear, my loves, invest your energy. Meron kasing investment dito. Invest your energy sa yung security and stability, and of course doon sa taong more on emotional attached sa'yo. Okay, message from spirits. What is the answer for your biggest question? Answer for your biggest question. Answer for your biggest question. Choose new direction, my loves. Choose new direction. May kailangan ka talagang baguhin. Pwede, my love, sa pagre-redirect na to, dun mo ma-encounter itong taong to, yung person mo, unexpectedly, dun mo siya matagpuan kung saan yung energy is pwede na kaya magpantay. Okay? Kasi, my loves, you are meant for someone na talagang kailangan maging kapantay, ka-level ng energy mo, ka-level ng desires mo, and trust. Ayun. Okay, nahulog dito yung balance natin, balance card. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. Okay, a great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. So dito, you need balance talaga, my loves. You need to heal. You need to heal first. You need to focus dito sa new slate, sa blank slate. And of course, spirits are telling you to choose new direction. Huwag kang matakot, my loves. Huwag kang matakot na sumubok na, kasi ano na to pang ilan na ba to? Kasi may something new din dito. New experience, new things. And then, choose new. Puro new. New face. Diba? So, my loves, kailangan talaga mag-try ng something new. Okay? So, yung old energy na to, confirmation kasi na outdated na siya. And you are meant for someone. So, maaaring the best version of them. Pero yung version ngayon, o yung version dati, hindi pa ganun ka compatible sa'yo. So, redirect your energy. I-focus mo yan doon sa, yan, pinapaalala din niya sa yung mga achievements and goals. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.